Ultimate chicken horse! Yeah! I'm Power...
Oh
both
yeah.
the same one. I'm
I
Power
didn't even
Corn.
get this.
We played Ultimate Chicken Horse today. This is the jungle temple, I think it's called.
I'm just gonna not
Not
get
sure.
introduced then.
Nice coin there. I'm gonna
Alright,
get
then.
that.
I'm just gonna sit over here
Oh,
and
sorry,
not
Kipper Snack.
get introduced.
Oh yeah, right there.
I'm Kipper Snack.
That's Kipper Snack. He's the Oxalotl. That's his name.
I got a monkey. Oh,
Congratulations.
great, I love. Oh shoot! Oh shoot!
Uh oh. Oh my gosh, that's a boulder. It's like Indiana Jones. Now you're dead, and I can go collect that for myself. Well, that works out well.
I don't think you can get that without dying.
Yeah. Might try. This is hard. How did you do this? I guess you actually didn't do this part, did you? Ah! There we go. Oh, okay. Wow.
Who knew that would be such a dangerous trap?
That is actually pretty hard. Just the honey. Just being stuck back and then being left loose in one go.
Yeah.
Surprisingly dangerous. Believe it or not. Let's see. Where should I put this? Right there. Alright. Coin. Behold the majesty of the coin. And there's 2 coins there now. Alright.
Cute.
Alright, should I go for the big coin as we now know it released
Why
the
are you
boulder?
so bad at these wheels?
I don't know! I'm gonna go for the big coin. It probably will be my death. But hey, I can take a few deaths. Nope. If I timed that right, if I timed that right, I think I could get past the big boulder. It's like being in the cannon while it rolls past. Alright, well, no one's won so far.
You were in the cannon when it rolled past.
No, it released me and then I was hit. This coin isn't attached to anything. You killed one of them. Congratulations.
Alright. Now it's so annoying. You can't do all of them.
Yeah. Alright, I'm going for the coin.
Why was this so hard for you, my guy?
I don't know. Yeah, guys, the way I'm going is actually a secret path. Oh no, I should have done this first. Ooh, it's a secret path. So yeah, you heard it here first. The way to get it quickly. Put a ton of coins down here. Let's put it next to this. All or nothing, right? How can I configure this? There we go. Alright. I am the Power Corn. I will get there.
Dang it.
Alright, get this coin down here first. I have to go this way, otherwise I'll just die from the bees chasing me. Ah! Bees! The bees! Yes! Yes!
How did you make that?
Oh, and that's 3 coins! Oh, I didn't think I would do that. Yeah, because as it will pass, you can just jump right here. Black hole, black hole, black hole, black hole, black hole. All right, and let's try to get. Oh, I almost got it. No, the bees. Ah. Oh, why did you like ran past the black hole? Very nice.
I'm just that cool.
You're that cool. I'm still winning, so.
I'm that cool.
Don't get cocky, boy.
That one. Jesus.
Alright. Fan. Fan. You can't make it through here. You have to get it and then go back down here. It's really hard. Look at that beehive right there. If their bomb comes up, I'm gonna get it and destroy one of those beehives. But actually not. Ah, no. Did you die already?
No, I made it to the finish line.
Oh. It's impossible.
Well. It's not, because I've made it 3 times.
I mean, but to get the coin. Get the coin. It's impossible. It's not actually
yeah.
impossible, but it's impossible.
It's sort of.
It's very
It's
hard.
very, very hard.
Yeah.
If you fall down
That-
here, you just go kablam.
Oh, yeah. I guess that actually does do something. All
I
right.
know, right? Leo, I could kill something over here, actually.
Yes. Oh, wait, there's a bomb. Please do. Kill. No! No! Curse you.
Oh.
L. Alright, I'm not gonna be foolish right now. No foolish things for
Oh,
me.
jeez.
Besides a billion subscribers.
1 billion subscribers.
No!
Nobody in the history of existence has gotten 1 billion subs.
There's been 1 billion views on videos. I know that.
In fact, I have got 1 billion subs before, but that was at Subway.
Oh my god. That was a bad joke, but it was good too.
It was so good.
I liked that joke. I don't like to admit it, but I did. Alright. Not much to
Oh
do
no,
here.
does that go right into the cannon? It
No!
does!
Oh, I'm good. Oh, it does.
Oh shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot.
Oh, you made
okay,
that.
actually didn't go that bad, but...
Woo! No! Oh, yeah.
There's really no way of doing that right now, with getting that coin without
Yeah.
winning.
Oh, portals. Sick. I do like my portals.
Was there another one in here somewhere?
No.
No, that's gonna go there for now.
Alright. Yeah.
Wait, can we go in this?
Oh my god, I had
Oh.
no idea.
Oh!
Not
What?
kind of used to it.
Nothing
but-
up there, but that's cool.
Yeah. Wow, I had no idea. Wow.
Whoa,
man.
whoa! Since when
The
was this
cannon.
hard?
Since when was it hard? Since last level. But with this,
Oh.
it's not as hard. I think I can do this. Yeah, and a coin! That's the power coin. Wait, yes! And that's a win! With the comeback! I am the ultimate red panda!
That
Nice.
was really good.
Alright guys, if you want to see more Ultimate Chicken Horse, like and subscribe, and leave us a note in the comments.
Okay, nice English there. But
if you want to,
yeah, any other games that you want us to play, tell us in the comments below.
Alright, we'll see you guys next video.